Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm here today to share with you my guest design project for Craft Supplies for You. This is my second project for the month of November. I'm kind of a little late pulling this out, but this is what I made. I've had this purse for a while and I did decorate it partially quite a few weeks ago. I put this eyelet fabric that I had, and then I put this trim of mine that I had for a while. I did it and then I lost interest and I left it for a while. Like, you know, sometimes you do things and then you don't feel like finishing it off, so you start all over again later on. So I picked it up the other day and I decided to finish it off. So what I did is I put this beautiful lace collar that I received, and I added my own flat back pearls in pink. They're iridescent pink all the way around. Then you have on the lace itself, it had these white pearls with this iridescent sequence on there, and I thought that my pink flatbacks would go great with this. The collar was kind of long, so I chopped off a bit of it and I added at the very corner over here because it's kind of bare up here. And I added these two flowers, and I added another collar that I received from them, plus this beautiful trim. And this is my closure. It wraps all the way around, and I put this Velcro on there so you can easily open and close. I made this beautiful little dangle here with the bezel that I received from them, and I just stuck a flower on there, and there you go. It's just beautiful as is. On the side here I have a dangle. One of them is a little heart that says made with love, and then these are the beads I received from them, from Craft Supplies for You. This is aluminum bead, this pink one, and then you have an acrylic flower, and then you have this beautiful looks like what's that, lily, not daylilies, I can't remember what kind of lily this is. Calla lily, that's it, calla lily. And I did a little dangle, and down here I made a little angel. I had a little flower left over from here, and I put it around the neck to give it like a little collar. Now that was pretty like that. Then you open it up, and we have this inside. I added this gorgeous lace that I received from KS4U, and this trim. I added the trim to give it a color to it, plus to give it more stability, because the lace is very thin, and as you're putting your cards in and out, it might tear. So by putting this little bit of trim on top, it gives it a little bit of more stability. I also added this filigree and a flat back pearl with a little bit of eyelash trim on here. Now these are just little tags. I'm not a paper person. I mean, this is the first time I'm doing anything out of paper, so please forgive me, paper crafters. But I thought that was cute the way it is. And I added this string that's green and white that goes with this. Then I did some more little tags. And I just stuck them in here. I also did this book here. I added the same trim that's on the outside of the purse, and this little acrylic flower, and I added a little rosette, and I added a little bit of those stickles or whatever they're called on here. And this is just a simple little book that I put together. This paper, I purchased it from Etsy shop. I believe the paper's called oh boy, I think it's called Pink Christmas Journal Kit or something to that effect, and it's from oh, the lady's name. Oh, I think it's Hello Susan, if anybody's interested in this one. I picked this paper up because I love the colors. It's the shabby chic colors that I love, and it goes well with the project that I was doing. And I added these little flowers the way I did add them at the front. I added them inside too. And this is my project for the month of November. I hope you like it. Have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao for now.